Is Mogo safe? Let's find out. Have you ever stared at your phone, eyeing that Mogo app icon, feeling a mix of curiosity and skepticism? You're not alone. The allure of quick cash is undeniable, but safety is paramount. Today, we're diving deep into the Mogo app to answer the burning question, is it safe to use? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Mogo, a financial technology company, offers a suite of services including prepaid cards, credit monitoring, and personal loans. It's a shiny new toy in the financial playground, but is it worth the risk? First off, let's talk about security. This is the bread and butter when dealing with your hard-earned cash. Mogo claims to use industry-standard encryption to protect your data. But let's be real, claims are cheap. What do the experts say? We've dug into reviews, analyzed the app's privacy policy, and even reached out to cybersecurity experts. We'll break down the key points. Data privacy. What information does Mogo collect? How do they use it? Is it shared with third parties? We'll uncover the truth. App security. How strong is Mogo's app protection? Are there any vulnerabilities that could expose your information? We'll put the app through its paces. Fraud protection. What measures does Mogo have in place to protect you from fraud? How does their fraud monitoring system work? We'll test it out. But security isn't the only concern. Let's talk about the financial implications. Mogo offers loans, but what's the catch? Interest rates, fees, and repayment terms are crucial factors. We'll compare Mogo's offerings to traditional lenders and shed light on the potential costs. And let's not forget about prepaid cards. Are they a convenient tool or a hidden trap? We'll examine fees, customer service, and the overall user experience. To get a real-world perspective, we'll share stories from people who have used Mogo. Their experiences, both good and bad, will give you a clearer picture of what to expect. We'll also explore alternatives to Mogo. There are other financial apps and services out there that might offer similar benefits without the risks. So, is Mogo safe? The answer isn't black and white. It depends on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. We'll provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, financial decisions should never be made impulsively. Do your research, read the fine print, and trust your gut. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.